Hey everyone, welcome to my new video. This is a skin install for my new Galaxy Flip 4. A lot of you from my shorts mentioned that the back of my Flip 4's color, yellow, is not that nice, so I went ahead and bought a skin for my Flip 4 from Dbrand. I'll show you what's in the package. I got the skins for my Galaxy S22 Ultra and my Flip 4. This is the pastel black color that I'll be putting on my Flip 4. I'll do this off camera and show you the results after. Okay guys, I have it installed. I ordered the pastel black color, but it looks pretty much white to me. I don't see much gray or dark color. It's just pretty much white. But yeah, it changed up the whole look of your flip phone. Give you some detailed look on this. The fit is pretty precise. Install was pretty easy, and this is how it looks on my Galaxy Flip 4. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.